Hey, good day everyone. Today we're going to replace this shower drain. Okay, now I got to take and screw that thing off. I'm going to stick the channel locks in there, spread it apart, and push against the side walls and unscrew it. All right, here's the pipe. I'm going to have to remove this insulation out of the way here. I got most of it out of the way. I should probably wear gloves when I'm doing this. There we go. There's the underside of it. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this baby up. These clamps on here. All right, here's the drain. So what I'm going to do is I bought some 2-inch ABS at the hardware store. I bought a foot. I didn't know how much I would need. So I'm going to make this piece. These two pieces look like that one. Okay, now I'm just going to take my hacksaw and cut a length of it. Right. Now I'm just taking and scuffing up the ends. Okay, got my ABS black cement here. My medium black ABS cement. I'm going to go ahead and stick these two together. And I went ahead and wiped off the excess. This glue's already dry too. Went ahead and separated these because I'm going to screw this down into this from up here. Now I'm going to go down below and fit this piece up. All right. Go ahead and fit that up there. Here's a look at it from the top. I'm going to clean that all off real good so I get a good seal here. I'll go ahead and take this with the gasket and just thread it on down in there. All right, now go ahead and take this off of there. Okay, what I'm doing now is just putting this in here like that, using those notches, and then cranking it clockwise. There we go. I'm just gonna test it out now and then go down below and see if it's leaking. Right, you can hear the water going through it. No drops, nothing. That's exactly what we want, 0. All right, I'll just get the insulation put back in place and it'll be good to go. All right, now I'll just put this cap back on here, the screen, this cover here. Thanks for watching.